Hi, Samanath Smart Stuff Study channel. See all this thing. So super duper closure of all the our Indian market and the US market. All this we will see in the chart. So before going to this video, today's tidbit: a professional trader has risen to a level where winning does not elate him and losing does not deflate him. He is so focused on trading right and improving his skill. So it's a professional trader. If any big win he make, he won't very much excited on that. And similarly, if any loss, he won't lose his confidence. So he will treat both profit and loss equally. He won't focus on money. He will focus only on the right trade and keep improving his skill. So that is the sign of professional skill. So we to everyone will become a good professional trader and investor. Okay, before going to this video, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. So whatever I am speaking here are my views for learning purpose. Always you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. That will lead you to a good trader or good investor in long run. Okay, we'll go to the video. So Nifty 418 point positive closure, super duper closure. One stage it was 300 point gap up and it just came down 100 point. Then we feel that it will be like okay, very good closure. But after that again it started rallying. At the end of the day, we see it's super duper closure. 418 points ended at 20,686 Nifty. So okay, left side we are given top gainers and losers. Have a pause of this video and have a glance on it. We will go to the market statistics. Today 2656 stocks traded. In that 1679 stock ended positively, 865 stocks ended negatively, and 112 stocks prices unchanged. 144 stock touched the upper circuit limit and 48 stock touched the lower circuit limit. So very good number this. And if you see this, 287 stock touched the 52-week high. So it is almost triple century, we can say. Only the 13 numbers it's left. So that 13 number is the low, 52-week low. So very much close to the triple century. Very good ratio. It's a massive number this is. But how long this massive number sustains, that is the matter. Okay, that we will see in the subsequent days how it performs. So today this super duper closure. Who is the biggest two top contributors? So the first is ICICI Bank 89.53 point positive contribution and HDFC 86.18 point positive contribution. Massive contribution from both the ICICI and HDFC. That way in Nifty, not even Bank Nifty, that we will see in Bank Nifty. So the top negative contributor is HDFC Life minus 3.49 points and Wipro minus 1.85 points. So very negligible negativity, yes. Okay, now we will see the FIA day data. As usual, we are started recording immediately after the market, so the data doesn't come. Anyway, if you see the last session, the FIA closed with the net buying of 1,589 crores and DA also net buying of 1,448 crores. Now we will see month-wise FIA day data. So for your glance, have a pause of this video and have a glance. So the one thing what I think is, the last month the FIA is close to 6,000 net buying and DA 12,000. But if you see the previous month, August, September, October, FIA are all in the consists of a very good number of selling. But still our market started rallying here. So don't give too much focus on FIA data and importance to this data. So this is also very good data and for a reference purpose to conclude the overall market. This is one of the factor, not this is the only factor. So don't give much importance, but give it just today due importance. That's it enough. Okay, now we will go to the chart. Nifty previous close 20,2867 and open at 20,601. So almost 350 point gap up. From there it has come down close to 100 plus points, again it rallied, again 100 plus point, it gradually come. So this is where I said okay, market will close very good, we're going to closure very good, but started rallying again. So at the end, if you see, it's a super duper end with a 418 point closure at 20,686. This is from the recent years, this is the highest closure, we can say that. So similarly, the bank nifty also, if you see, same pattern. So previous closure was 44,814 and opening is 45,671. So almost 900 point gap up. From there again there is no sign of coming down. So it's keep on increasing. So at the end it is 1,670 points positive closure, 3.61%. So and reach the all-time high. One single long step, it touched the all-time high. We will see in the day chart, you will come to know how big steps it had taken. So if you see the Nifty, we will change it to the day chart. So Nifty, last time also it's all-time high, and today very big all-time, once again all-time high it had made. So last time I said it would be go till 20,450. So based on this, I said it will go that level, but today it crossed it and very well closed above it. So there is a huge gap. So definitely in some point of time it will come down and fill this gap. So this is the reason I said it's top. I mean still in the bullish side, and this is the target I given. Now we have to see immediate after this gaps fill, there are chances still it rallies. So when it will fill, that we have to wait and see. So this is about Nifty, and if you see the bank Nifty, yes, so it was struggling here. 45,000 was a strong resistance, so it couldn't able to make it that resistance. Yeah. So this long gap definitely it will to fill that it will again retest to that level. And one more thing you have to see that the EMA. So actually the EMA will attract the prices towards it. Whether the price is high, it will attract down to its level. If the price is down, it will attract to its level. So that aspect also once again it will come down to fill this gap. Then it will again further it rallies. So it all depends on the subsequent days how it goes, and even US market also we will see that. So whatever it may be, so we cannot judge the market entirely based on the large cap. So we have to see mid and small cap. So that also we see now. So mid and small 400, 185.1.22 points percentage positive closure. So this is its habit is keep making the all-time high, we can say that. So it's keep on making the all-time high. Today it's very big gap up and made a huge gap once again all-time high. It keep beating its own record, we can say that. Similarly, if you see the micro cap index, 200 point positive closure. So it also keep regularly beating its own record. So if you see this, both the index have very much optimism. So this give further boost to the Nifty to go further. But anyway, keep in mind that gap, it will definitely fill that gap. So that will be a pullback we can expect. So now we will see the US market. So the US market last session 694 points positive closure, 0.8%. Similarly, S&P 500 26 point positive closure, very good number. Even Nasdaq also confirmed the same thing, 78 point positive closure. And today, if you see the UK and Euro market almost flat, there is mix of green and red, but it's a very close to marginal plus and minus. So it's flat, we can say that. Now we see the Dow, how the chart the last session. See a very big gap. Still the momentum is intact. So it's from here again the momentum is gaining. So here some moment it lose that momentum, but it's again now it's gaining the momentum. So again keep in mind that the mean reversion. So that we have to see. Similarly, if you see the S&P 500, so that also but it doesn't have momentum like Dow, but still it is also very decent momentum it's gaining. So subsequent is how it performs, we have to see that. So I hope this video will be very much informative to you. See next video. Please do subscribe and like. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.